foods to be eaten when you are sick.
When you are feeling sick, nothing sounds good. It's all misery, gloom and doom. Mom often seems to know what to give us, but those days are long gone for most of us. Or maybe you are mom and want to make a child feel better. There are foods you can eat that will help with different symptoms and might even help you find up the cord. Read on for ideas to make you feel better. On our list, we have firstly chicken soup. Chicken soup is not just an old wives' tale, it is a source of vitamins, minerals, calories and protein needed when you are sick. If you are vomiting, having diarrhea or fighting a fever, you need chicken soup fluids and electrolytes. Chicken soup contains the amino acid cysteine that breaks apart mucus. It inhibits neutrophils that may cause coughing or stuffy noses, and chicken soup is an antiviral, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Chicken soup is the best food that you can eat when you don't feel good. The BRAT foods. BRAT is an acronym for bananas, rice, applesauce and toast. Sip water, and if that stays down, add broth, then nibble on the brats. You can also eat crackers, oatmeal, watermelon and boiled potatoes. After about 48 hours, you should be able to return to your normal diet. Brat foods are especially helpful when you are suffering from diarrhea or vomiting. Broth. If you can't handle chicken soup, try to eat vegetable, beef or fish broth. A broth is a thin savory soup that may contain chunks of veggies or meat. They are an excellent source of calories, vitamins and minerals to support your immune system. Broths don't have the healing properties of chicken soup, but they will help. Add garlic for extra germ fighting potency. Like chicken soup, broths are very good for rehydrating you. Garlic. Garlic keeps away more than vampires. It has antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal effects. They may stimulate the immune system. One study found that people who eat garlic have 70% fewer sick days than who don't. They also get a bit faster. Add garlic to your broth and chicken soup or take garlic pills. The stuff is always better and the germs will leave as quickly as vampires. Hot tea. Hot tea is a panacea. Hot tea steams helps clear stuffed nose. It is hydrating and it contains polyphenols that are an anti-inflammatory. Tannin of polyphenol has antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal properties. Herbal teas are good as black teas. Add ground turmeric to ease a sore throat, peppermint to open the nose, and ginger to ease the stomach. Honey. As long as you are not giving honey to a child under 12 months old, honey is very good for sick people. Honey has a lot of antimicrobial compounds. It has been used in wound dressing for thousands of years and it still is used today. Honey is a great cough suppressant, and a half a teaspoon in tea makes for an all-around sick room drink. Ginger. Ginger tea made from a fresh grated ginger steeped in hot water is effective at soothing a cough and really effective at calming an upset stomach. Fresh ginger has antioxidant, antimicrobial and anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties as well. Try not to eat a whole of crystallized ginger as it is very high in sugar. Try to avoid carbonated ginger ale as it can upset an upset stomach. If you want to drink ginger ale, let it go flat. Spicy food. Just coming down with a head cold, try something really spicy. Spicy food makes your nose run and cleans out sinus passages. Don't try spicy food and upset stomach. It can make your stomach really rabby. Capsaicin, the active ingredient in chili peppers, have been used in nasal spray to relieve congestion. It also seems to thin out mucus. Although it can stimulate mucus, it also works to soothe chronic cough. Coconut water. Coconut water can help you stay hydrated while feverish, vomiting, or having diarrhea. Coconut water contains glucose and electrolytes needed for rehydration in a light, flavorful drink. Coconut water can replace lost nutrients like tea. Coconut water contains tannins and those will calm inflamed stomach lining. Coconut water also contains antioxidants and minerals to help you feel better. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a bread food. It is bland and easy to digest while containing a lot of calories and nutrients you need to fight off a cold. Oatmeal also stimulates the immune system and may contain a fiber that decreases gut inflammation. Don't get artificially flavored oatmeal. Instead, add a bit of honey and some bananas for a meal that will sit easy on your stomach. You can also use oat bran or rolled oats in smoothies for the same effect. Yogurt. Yogurt has some excellent health benefits. It contains protein and vitamins and minerals. Eaten cold, it will soothe a sore throat. If you are taking antibiotics, yogurt will activate probiotics, will replace all the good gut bacteria killed by your medication. Probiotics helps people stay healthy and get better more quickly. Now moving on to conclusion. No matter what the drug companies promise, only time heals a cold. The old saying, it takes a week if you treat it and 7 days if you don't, is mostly correct. However, eating foods that sits easy on your stomach and keep you hydrated are an important part of getting well. Remember the bread foods of bananas, rice, apples and toast for a good idea of what to eat. And whatever you do, don't forget the all-important chicken soup. It may be the only food or medication that can get you over your cold more quickly.